What happens if an F1 driver sneezes at 200 miles per hour? The answer is really scary. Think about when you sneeze. You can't stop it. For that 1 second, your eyes just close. Imagine that happening inside the world's fastest race car. Here's the scary part. At 200 miles per hour, an F1 car covers almost 300 feet in just 1 second. So for that 1 second their eyes are closed, a driver would travel the length of a whole football field, completely blind. In that 1 second, they could miss their braking spot, hit a wall, or crash right into another driver. It's one of the most dangerous things that can happen inside the car because you just can't stop it. Drivers say they try to fight it. Sometimes it just happens. It's a scary reminder that they aren't just racing other cars, they're racing their own bodies.